Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. Then let's scroll all the way down and find block numbers and simply tap on it. Here your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. Now we will enter our blacklist. And all you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, right here, and tap on the settings. Here let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contact. So as you can see, this option works. Also, we can tap on add a number and simply enter it manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown, which means that you can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher here. You can turn that off the same way, and if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.